This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the SSID and password. This is the network your Xbox will join. Make sure your phone has a current data plan and decent signal. Low bars mean lag. On the Xbox One, power it up, sign in if needed, then open Settings, choose Network and select Set up Wireless Network. Once in the wireless list, you'll be ready to locate your phone's hotspot and begin the connection process. Now you select your phone's SSID from the Xbox wireless list and enter the hotspot password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so type exactly. Once connected, the console negotiates IP, DNS, and other network settings automatically. Make sure to choose Automatic IP if prompted. Static addresses are rarely needed for mobile hotspots. After the Xbox reports a connection, run the network test in Settings to verify NAT. Finish by confirming the Xbox reports NAT as open or moderate. Strict NAT can block multiplayer. If performance is poor, move the phone closer, disable other phone apps using data, or switch the hotspot to 5 GHz if your phone and Xbox support it for less interference. If the Xbox won't authenticate, restart both devices, forget the network on Xbox and re-add it, and double-check hotspot password. Keep an eye on mobile data limits, and remember that video downloads and updates can consume large amounts of data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.